Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to delete or clear Windows Security Protection history in Windows 10. Type Windows Security in Windows search bar. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Protection History. Open File Explorer. Click View tab. Click Options. Click View. Check Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Click Apply OK. Open this PC, C drive. Open Program Data. Open Microsoft folder. Open Windows Defender folder. Open Scans. Click Continue. Open History folder. Delete all folders. Type Windows Security in Windows search bar. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Protection History. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.